Hi all my crafty friends. Today I'm working on a red and natural bead garland with a tassel and a deer face on the ends. This would make a great gift for family, friends, co-workers, and Secret Santa. You can always replace the deer with a name or initial for more of a personalized gift. This project began with me trying to decorate a small white Christmas tree. In my head, I was thinking candy cane tree, but that's not what happened. I used a bag of 8mm wood beads I got from Amazon to make this beaded garland. I painted half the beads with red acrylic paint and left the other half their natural color. I used a piece of wire I had pulled out of some wired ribbon and began alternating the beads. When I had finished stringing all the beads, I put a dab of hot glue on each end. And then I had a thought. This would make an amazing beaded garland. So I used some short pieces of ribbon I had on hand and created a small little tassel with the ribbon and some twine. I had this mason jar shaped wood piece, which I also left its natural color. I found this cut file in a bundle I had purchased from Design Bundles. I used my Cricut, sized it to fit the mason jar, and cut the file. I transferred the vinyl to transfer paper and added it to the mason jar. I used more twine and hot glue to attach both the tassel and the mason jar to the garland. This project turned out better than I expected. I just love it. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I do weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload a new video. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.